Prepare all the installed tracks and parts. Place the straight rail on the corresponding hole position of the crossbeam. Fix the track with the matching screws. Repeat the previous steps. Place the track crossbeam upwards. Place the crossbeam at a high position corresponding to the hole positions. Tighten the screws to fix the high legs. Repeat the previous steps and ensure that all the legs are firmly fixed. Installation of curved rails. Fix the track using the matching screws. Repeat the previous steps and ensure that the track is fixed. High foot installation. Place the high legs in the corresponding hole positions. Tighten the fixing screws to ensure the high legs are fixed. Repeat the previous steps and ensure that all high legs are fixed. Align the hole positions when splicing the two tracks. Lock with the matching locking device. Ensure stability. View the track level. Level the inclined part. Confirm smoothness. Align and splice the two tracks. Place the lock in the corresponding position in locking. Reverse the vehicle body. Remove the screws of the fixed base. Place the upright column at the corresponding screw hole position of the vehicle body and install the corresponding screws. Remove the base and install the upright post. Place the base at the corresponding installation position. Install and tighten with original screws. Install the upright column back and adjust it to the appropriate position. The lock buckle is locked and fixed. Place the stabilizer on the power supply base. Lock the buckle tightly after hearing the sound of the bayonet. Strengthen the rod and snap it into a corresponding position. Use matching screws to tighten it to ensure safety. Stabilize the camera device stabilizer and lock it under the camera of the video transmitter device. V-mount battery devices are on both sides of the vehicle body. Place the camera controller on the camera's coach mount and tighten it. Place the stabilizer controller in the corresponding bayonet. The controller bayonet indicates the correct direction for the stabilizer. Insert the power cord into the power supply port of the camera controller. The other end of the power cord, insert it into the stabilizer wiring port. The camera control cable is connected to the controller interface. The other end is connected to the camera control interface. Connect the DC port to the mapped wireless video transmitter. Connect the C port to the transmission port of the stabilizer. Connect the control line to the control port of the stabilizer. The other end is connected to the vehicle stabilizer control port. D-tap interface access base power supply battery. The green light of the interface indicates the correct direction. DC port is connected to the power supply base of the stabilizer. High-definition transmission line is connected to the video transmission and camera transmission ports. Install the antennas respectively at camera controller, rail car body, remote control, corresponding hole positions of the tow rod device. The network cable is connected to the vehicle body interface. The network cable is fixed on the tow bar. The other end is connected to the remote control interface. The flashing yellow signal light indicates a successful connection. Adjust the camera to a horizontal position. Vehicle body entering the track. Install a safety blocker. Vehicle body startup. Turn on the remote control. Power on the camera controller. Adjust the control channels to be consistent. Power on and level the stabilizer. Turn on the camera. Set the mode to remote shooting.